Hello students, how are you all? I believe that you all are fine and you are taking care of yourself and your family members also. As you all must be aware that suddenly the number of patients of COVID-19 are increasing in Meerut. So I would suggest you all to please be patient, be at home and take good care of yourself. Keep washing your hands. Do not consider it only an advertisement or a part of job. Take things seriously. Keep washing your hands on a regular basis. Whatever you are bringing in home, please sanitize it and sanitize your house also. You all are grown up children. You all can well manage your family. You can well suggest things to them. So I would again suggest that please do take care of yourself. But do not try to put yourself into any kind of danger. Be safe at home, especially boys who are not in habit of sitting at one place. So nowadays keep yourself little busy. Start helping your mother at home. बहुत सारे काम है घर में. You can help your mothers at home and keep yourself busy, especially with your studies also. Keep a proper routine. ऐसा नहीं that nowadays you're getting up at 10, sleeping at 2 o'clock in the night, you're doing anything at any time. Don't do that. That will going to make you unhealthy also and will make your schedule very difficult for you for the next 2 months then. Try to manage yourself into a fixed schedule. Do some yoga, some exercise. Keep yourself happy, busy and healthy. I hope that you all will going to do this. Now, children, from last around a week, I am discussing the topic of letters with you. As I've already told you, it's an important topic. A 6 marks question definitely comes for letter in the examination. Though you get 2 options, both the question carries letters. Letter can be any. Most of it, 90% is the letter to editor and the other letter can be any letter. That can be job application, can be letter of inquiry, can be both letter to editor also. So at times, as per the decision of the board, any question can come out of the letters and that is compulsory for you to attempt to gain 6 marks. Children, I hope that the format is learnt by you all now. As into my all videos, into my all classes, I have explained again and again the letter format to you. I have already explained letter to editor, placement of order, letter of inquiry, and the last letter which I explained you was job application. I believe that job application is quite clear to you. Now, I want some children to do one more thing, that whatever example you are writing, please click a photograph of it and send it to the same group or to my personal number so that I can see what you people are writing. If I find some mistake, I can suggest you the better ways. Is that clear? Now, moving forward to the next type of letter, and this is the last type of letter into your syllabus which I am going to teach you today, children. Today we are going to do the letter of complaint. The complaint word makes you clear that when you are not satisfied with something, you complain about it. We deals in only 2 types of things, goods and services. Either we purchase goods from outside or we purchase services. Goods includes any product. That can be a washing machine, a television, AC, refrigerator, can be anything. Whatever you purchased at your home. It can be So it can be pair of clothes, fine. It can be your mobile phone, anything can be. Now, the other thing is services. Services includes, for example, you booked a trip of 5 days for your family to Nainital. So what are you getting? Services. You're booking through some company and they are providing you certain things that will give you this, this and this, and this is the amount which you have to pay. So what are you getting? Services. So there are two types of things. One is goods and one is services. But sometimes after purchasing or after utilizing those things, you find that you are not satisfied with the quality, you are not satisfied with the promise which was made to you, or the product doesn't turn up in the same manner as it was told to you. So what do you do at that time? You complain, isn't it? तो ऐसा तो है नहीं that you went to the shop directly and you start fighting with the shopkeeper that you promised me this and you have given me this. That will not solve your problem. What is the formal way of getting your things solved? That is writing a letter of complaint to them. Because when we are not satisfied with something, so we complain. And here, because we are dealing into writing section, we have to write the complaint and has to give to the person who is the either owner of the shop or owner of the services or whatever. So in this regard, I hope the topic is clear to you. Now we will try to understand that how to write the letter of complaint. And here comes the board. We will begin the class with the skill now. Now, children, format is there in front of you. You can see top. I have written the letter of complaint. First thing, as usual, sender's address. Is to be written in? Yes, 3 lines. If it is given in the question, well and good. If it is not given, you will inculcate. You will create your address and will write it into 3 lines. Then, leaving a line. I am drawing line always to give that space that you have to leave a line. Leaving a line, you write day. What is the date today?
Sir.
So what is the date today? Suppose it is as 22nd April, 2020. This how you will going to write the date? I hope every one of you have started practicing writing the date into this format only. Because putting slash or any other format will not be accepted. Then again giving a line. You to again leave a line. I have again drawn a line. Leave a line and then you write receiver's address. Now, who is receiver into this question? Receiver is the sales manager, because you are writing a complaint of the thing which you have purchased. So who would have sold you? The sales manager. The most of the questions, 90% of the question, the post would come the sales manager, name of the organization, name of the city. Suppose you went to Pepe Jeans, you purchased a jeans, but you are not satisfied with the quality of jeans, or it is like anything, it is not as per the size you expected, or it is giving color or anything. So what would you write? Like the sales manager, Pepe Jeans, and the name of the shop number this and this, and then the name of the city. Clear, children? Now, moving forward. Salutation. Salutation means sir or madam, the respective word, whichever you want to write as per the requirement, and you put a comma. After, suppose you've written sir, then you will write a comma, or you write madam and then you write a comma. Next thing is subject. Complaint regarding dash. Complaint regarding washing machine. Complaint regarding refrigerator. Complaint regarding pair of clothes. Whatever it is. As per the requirement of the question, whatever the reason you want to write for, that would become your subject. Now, as I have already explained the same manner. This letter also will have 3 paragraphs in the body. What we call as the body of the letter, we call as the content of the letter, that would be written into 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, what will you write? The first paragraph will include your introduction and the introduction of the product which you have purchased. Suppose you purchased a washing machine. So what will you write? You will write I, who's you? You will not write your personal identification because you are known as a customer. They do not know you that I, Manish of Gangal Enclave or I, Manish of Ganganagar. No, they don't know. They just know the customer. And how do a shopkeeper know the customer? By the bill which he is given. You must have heard while you are purchasing something and the shopkeeper is giving you bill that if you want to exchange anything, please keep the bill safely. Why? Because they don't know you personally, they know only the bill. That is why in the first paragraph we will mention your identity, the detail of the product which you have purchased along with the date on which you have purchased. That can be written as I, a resident of so and so place, has purchased a washing machine from your shop dated itna, bill number itna, cash memo itna, or with prices itna, model number. You can write any 2 details. You to write price, you to write the model number, and you can write the cash memo or bill number, anything. I hope the first paragraph is clear. That makes that आपने इस डेट में इस शॉप से ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदा था. And now which is not working properly. Only you will add this more line to your first paragraph so that it gives him clear identification that you are writing the letter of complaint. Now, moving forward to the second paragraph, children. Now, into second paragraph, what are we writing? We are always writing the explanation. We are always writing expanding our problem, expanding our reason of writing letter. यहाँ what is the reason of writing letter? Complaint. आपने ये तो बता दिया that when you have purchased the product and it is not working properly. But now you will tell the detail that what particular problem your product is facing. Suppose आपने washing machine का we are taking example. So what will write? That the dryer of the washing machine is not working properly as it does not drain the water, it does not dry the clothes, or it creates a lot of sound. ऐसी चीजें होंगी. So that would become your second paragraph. Clear, children? So what are you doing in second paragraph? In second paragraph, you are describing the problem clearly. That what particular problem you are facing with the product. Suppose you purchased a mobile phone and now you find that the screen is not proper. So touch nahi proper hai, ya it doesn't work properly, ya screen is not clear, or it vibrates. Whatever problem you are facing, you will write the same. Then, moving on to the third paragraph. In the third paragraph of this letter, you write that you request the authorities to please either exchange the product or get it repaired as early as possible so that I can get it on time. Sometimes you can even give the reason. Suppose आपने एक टीवी खरीदा और वो ठीक काम नहीं करा, and soon you are going to have what? Soon you are going to have the World Cup. You do not want to miss it. It will going to begin after 2 days. So you can write that as the World Cup is about to begin within 2 days, so I expect the authorities to get my problem solved during these 2 days. या फिर आपने washing machine खरीदा and it is winters, the clothes are not drying well on time. You can put that reason. Why? So that your letter writing becomes more explosive and it gives you more clarity, better words that makes your letter more effective. This how we are going to complete all the 3 paragraphs. Now, after putting it, you write yours truly and what? Your name. That's all. That's the format of the letter, children. Children, I am always attaching a PDF which includes the format, which includes the example of the letter, which even includes some particular sentences by which you can begin your letter, by which you can end up your letter, what kind of language you should use, and I am always giving questions for homework also. Some children are again and again writing me and asking me that, ma'am, we could not get this, we could not understood this. So I believe that you people are not watching the PDF properly. And even one of the child has even written to me that, ma'am, PDF मेरे phone में चलता ही नहीं. So please beta, that is technical problem. You check out it. You either give me some other number where the PDF can be opened into that phone. Because until and unless you will not go through that PDF, you will not be clear about the things. Because rest of the things, other than the explanation, whatever writing work I am giving you, that I am always giving in the PDF. Make sure that you go through that PDF and write the example in the notebook, and then you write the given question as homework also. One more thing, children. Some students are asking me that, ma'am, we could not get the question answer of this chapter, or we could not get the summary of this chapter. So children, please ask your friends, because as due to the space problem, I am most of the time deleting. Videos are all available on the YouTube. You can go through them anytime. But PDF I am deleting it most of the time. So please concern your friends. और अगर तब भी नहीं मिलता, so just give me a call or a message. I'll again help you out. Thank you, children.